Hi, we import from Italy pasta and peel tomato. So in pasta we have two different variants. One is made out of Teflon dye, one is made out of bronze dye. So we have a Pallante is a bronze dye pasta which is available in different shapes like Penne, Fusilli, spaghetti and Fettuccine. And then we have a different brand called Regia brand. In that we have a whole wheat penne which is in penne shapes and as well as in spaghetti shapes. And then we have in Regia brand we have Fettuccine, Lasagne, all these shapes we have it. Even penne and fusilli, all the shapes also available in that. So these are the different products available in pasta, and we have, besides this, we have a peel tomato in a 10 size 2.5 kg tin. So these are the brands available from Italy. Thank you very much.